If you're interested in learning Arabic, let me start by saying you're in for an amazing adventure. But before you start immersing yourself in the rich and captivating world of Arabic culture, there is one important question every learner needs to consider. There are over 30 Arabic dialects and varieties. So which one should you learn? Explore your options with me today, and together we'll try to determine the best choice for you. Arabic, a language known for its elegance and historical significance, presents learners with an intriguing choice. Will you opt for modern standard Arabic or instead choose a specific Arabic dialect? Like a lot of other questions about learning a foreign language, there's not really a right or wrong answer. It's very dependent upon each individual learner's goals and background. But let's start by learning a little bit more about the options that are available to you. Modern Standard Arabic, often shortened to MSA, is derived from Classical Arabic and is the standardized and modern version used in writing in formal contexts. This is the variety of Arabic you'll find in the media and hear in things like official speeches. It's also the language of the Quran and other Islamic texts, as well as international affairs. It's even one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. But here's the catch. In everyday life, it takes a backseat. Although it's an official language in 25 countries and taught to school children all over the Arabic-speaking world, MSA is rarely spoken as a native language, and rarely spoken, period. On the other hand, Arabic dialects thrive in the vibrant tapestry of daily life. They're the heart and soul of communication among families and friends, and in various settings like markets and neighborhoods. The Arabic-speaking world boasts around 30 distinct dialects grouped into 6 families, as you can see here. From the enchanting Maghrebi Arabic family of North Africa to the melodious Levantine Arabic varieties spoken in Lebanon and Syria, each dialect offers a unique cultural experience. But be ready for some pretty extreme differences in vocabulary and pronunciation. Here's a clip that'll give you a sneak peek into just a few of those differences.
جربان
كلاسيك كلست قاشة
جواريف
شرائع
تسة
قطوس سيد
مشة
بزونة.
So, how do you choose between learning modern standard Arabic and learning a dialect? Well, start by considering what inspires you to learn Arabic in the first place, as well as any travel plans you may have, the availability of resources, and the level of difficulty. If your aim is informal communication and you have a specific country or region that you'd like to visit in mind, learning a dialect will be your ticket to a deeper connection with the local culture. But if you have a passion for literature or want to boost your job prospects, explore primary documents, or engage with religious texts, Modern Standard Arabic is probably for you. And of course, you can choose to learn MSA and a dialect simultaneously. This is the approach advocated for by Munther Younes, a well-known expert in the field of Arabic as a foreign language. At Cornell University, Professor Younes, who is originally from Jordan, developed the Integrated Approach to Arabic Instruction Method, which he also wrote a book on. With this approach, students are prepared for what's called diglossia, which means a situation in which 2 languages, or 2 varieties of the same language in this case, are used under different conditions within the same community, often by the same speakers. And this is exactly what children born in Algeria, Egypt, Lebanon, and any other Arabic-speaking country do. They learn literary Arabic at school for reading and writing, and the local dialect at home for speaking. Younes argues that this is the most logical and efficient method of learning Arabic, but I'll leave that up to you. By now, I'm sure you can imagine just how difficult it was for us to decide on a direction for the MosaLingua Arabic app. This is a project we've had in mind for many, many years, and we're super excited to say that it's finally coming to fruition. We've decided to start with a version that focuses on modern standard Arabic for several reasons. Here's a glimpse into our reasoning. MSA is the most studied variant in the world and also the most requested among our learners. It meets the needs of more people with a variety of language goals, including religion, career, media, written communication, etc. It allows students to keep up with the news in Arabic and access a greater number of audiovisual resources. Standard Arabic is almost universal in Arabic-speaking countries. Just as a reminder, it's only really appropriate in more formal and official contexts. We think it will provide users with a good introduction to the language and a solid foundation. And then it's up to students to build upon this base however they like with other dialects. Eventually, we would like to offer other dialects, such as Egyptian Arabic, a variant of Maghrebi Arabic, and Levantine Arabic. And our hope is to then be able to guide learners toward the best choice by asking them at the beginning of the course about their priorities and objectives. Until we can make that a reality, we hope you're getting super excited to dive into the fascinating world of modern Standard Arabic with the upcoming MosaLingua Arabic app. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as our newsletter to be the first to know when it launches. See you again soon!
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time!